Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to install third-party apps or use ADB debugging on your Firestick, you'll need to have access to developer options. But in recent updates, Amazon may have removed the visibility of this. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to restore access to this quick and easy. So first of all, we'll need to move over to settings, my Fire TV, and so it's in this list. You may not see it, so we'll click on about and highlight Fire TV stick, and we'll click on this 7 times, and then you'll see you're already a developer, and that is all you need to do to restore this option. And then you can go in and enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Okay, so that was it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. You can drop a comment and please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.